Hi, everyone. I'm really excited today because I'm sitting down with our founder, Shveta Raina, about Talerang's flagship program, Future CEOs. With the new batches around the corner, both online and offline, this is a perfect time to give you an inside look at what the program is all about. Whether you're joining us virtually from anywhere in India or stepping into our in person sessions, Future CEO is designed to transform the way students prepare for their career. So, Shweta, I hope you're ready for the one on one session with us.
Absolutely.
Great. To begin with, Shweta, I would like to understand what exactly is the Future CEOs program?
So the Future CEOs program is one of a kind because it actually started as my research project at Harvard Business School. It was an independent research project with Professor Narayan Das, where we looked at India's graduates and their work readiness. And we found that less than 50% of India's graduates are work ready. As per some studies we read, less than 3% of our graduates are considered employable by corporates. So this program was designed for the graduates of India to solve this work readiness gap. So the origin is very unique. And because it was based on research, the solution is also very outcome based. So the program has 4 steps. It starts off with training to actually get graduates work ready on their competencies, followed by hard skill training. Once they're done with this, they get access to a real internship. And we have corporate partners such as Godrej, Birla, Mahindra, as well as lots of startups, non-profits where they can work. Once they're done with the internship, they become alumni of Talerang and they get access to lifelong mentorship. So we have students who've been with us for close to 10 years. They've gone on to do their MBAs at universities like Harvard Business School, INSEAD. They've gotten jobs at their dream companies like a McKinsey or a Swiggy, and they're actually becoming leaders in reality. So it's a very different program from a typical short course or an upskilling course because it has a practical component. And the interesting thing is that it's hybrid. So it's not just an online program. There are a lot of opportunities offline as well.